everybody doing today? This is Mrs Vee here with another open invitation for another tablescape. Yes, I have jumped on the bandwagon of creating these tablescapes, and I want to invite you guys to come along. So, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. My channel focuses on budget-friendly content, and if there's something you're interested in, go ahead and tap that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So Ms. V has joined a women's group here on YouTube, and we're going to be doing some positive things in the YouTube community. So be looking out for that. And the name of the group is called the Sophisticated Ladies Club. Is that the name of it? Sophisticated Ladies Club. Yes. So monthly we will be hosting challenges, and for the month of August we have a challenge that we want to invite you guys to participate in. So I'll be looking down at my phone so I can get this right, because it's about my third time doing this video. So this is gonna be it right here. Okay. Alright, let's see. So, let's talk about the rules for the challenge. Of course, the rules are universal, the same thing for all challenges. Please be subscribed to all 7 of our channels. There are 7 of us ladies that are in this group, so I'll have all that information in the description box. And the theme is going to be an all-white tablescape. All white, yes. Not like a wedding all white, but pearl white, whichever white you want, but all white. And yes, you can use a pop of color. So that's number 2. Number 3 is, please title your video End of Summer All White Party. End of Summer All White Party 20. And also use the hashtag End of Summer All White Party 20. And the next thing we would like for you to do is upload your video on August the 8th, 2020 at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we're going to have a twist. Let us know what your end of summer plans are in your video. And please try to keep your videos 5 to 6 minutes long so that everybody can watch the playlist. And yes, there will be a playlist available. And please add your video to the playlist. And please, no DIYs in this video. Even though I'm the DIY queen, do a separate video at a later date for your DIYs, please. And thank you. So that way, the videos will be 5 to 6 minutes in length. That way everyone will get to watch the playlist, because I realize everyone is busy. I know I am. So 5 or 6 minute video, I probably can go through the playlist in probably one day. So that's it. So let me go over it one more time. We're going to have an all-white tablescape. Or subscribe to everyone's channel. All-white tablescape with a pop of color. Title your video End of Summer All White Party 20. And also use the hashtag End of Summer All White Party 20. And make sure your video is 5 to 6 minutes or less. And let us know what your plans are for the end of summer. And that's it. And no DIYs, please. So that's it. The Sophisticated Ladies Club has officially introduced themselves to YouTube. I think it's going to be great. And our mission is to inspire others and do positive things in the YouTube community. So that's our mission. So Ms. V is all about doing positive things. So I think this is going to be a great group of ladies, and I hope that I have you guys support. So that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. That's the end of this open invitation. So this is Ms. V. I'm continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.